Hello, I'm Amit Nerurkar, and today we are going to focus on the topic of TCP, that is error control. So there are various errors and TCP uses various measures to handle those errors. The first error that we are focusing on is nothing but error, the lost segment. So client sent segment S1, server received it, server acknowledged it saying that I have received S1, please start sending me the next segment, that is S2. Now when client sends the next segment S2, unfortunately it is lost. And now it will wait till it get an acknowledgement, and client will never get an acknowledgement because the segment is not at all delivered to server. So what exactly it does is there is a solution. So whenever you send a segment, you start a timer. So that is nothing but your retransmission timer. Now before this timer expires, you should get an acknowledgement. So in this case, you got an acknowledgement. Now I sent S2, I again started a timer, and unfortunately this segment is lost. Now what happens? The timer here expires and now I retransmit segment S2. I have retransmitted this segment. Now this segment is delivered and now your server sends an acknowledgement. So the solution for handling the lost segment is implementation of retransmission timer. The second error is lost acknowledgement. So I have sent segment S1, I have received an acknowledgement S2, okay fine, this is a normal situation. But now I have sent the next segment, that is S2, and unfortunately the acknowledgement for segment S2 is lost. So now what? Now again the solution remains exactly same. That is, whenever you send any segment, you will start with the retransmission timer. Before this timer expires, you should get an acknowledgement. So in the first case, before this timer expires, you get an acknowledgement. Now I again send segment S2. Segment S2 is received by server, it is acknowledged, but unfortunately the acknowledgement is lost. So now what happens? The timer here gets expired and hence I retransmit my segment S2 again. And that is only because it didn't receive an acknowledgement. Now server again resends the acknowledgement, which is finally correctly received by the client. So again the solution for handling lost acknowledgement is same as that of lost segment, that is implementation of retransmission timer. The third error is out of order. So now if you see, I have sent S1, I have server received S1, S2 received by server received S1, S2, sent S3, server received all three, sent S4, but unfortunately segment 4 is lost. And then finally client sends segment S5, server receives S5, but then really understands that this is an out of order because what was expected over here was S4 and that is not received. So immediately server sends an acknowledgement saying that please send me S4 because I have not received S4, I have received some other packet other than what was expected, other segment. So now immediately your client retransmits S4. If you see, server has received all 5 segments. So it This is Amit Nerurkar signing off. Thank you.